Let's get you some information now on a story that is breaking. As expected, the Rajasthan High Court will deliver its verdict tomorrow. We now also know the time. The High Court verdict is going to come in at 10:30 a.m. Early in the morning, we are going to expect that verdict. Remember, it was reserved by the Rajasthan High Court for Friday, but the matter went to the Supreme Court, where the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker moved the court. Then Sachin Pilot camp also moved the Supreme Court. Today, now that the Supreme Court has said that the High Court is free to deliver its verdict and they've not stayed, news coming in that the Rajasthan High Court verdict is going to come in at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Arunachalam Vaidyanathan now joins us. Vaidya, pretty much on expected lines now that the road was clear for the Rajasthan High Court to deliver its verdict.
Exactly, Sanket. It has been a hectic week this week as well as last week also on the Rajasthan crisis. Now it's become a legal political crisis. So of course, yes, you are right. Tomorrow morning, 10:30 a.m., the Rajasthan High Court two-judge bench will be delivering its verdict. So the verdict will be on 2-3 points. Number one, whether the Speaker can issue notice without assigning any reasons on the disqualification process. And second point, can the High Court go into this issue of notices when the Supreme Court has already said no courts can go into this till a final decision taken on by the Speaker. So these are the issues raised by both sides that will have to be answered by the High Court tomorrow morning at 10:30. But Supreme Court today, of course, while giving a go-ahead for the High Court to deliver its verdict, also said everything is subject to the final decision. So tomorrow, if the decision goes in favor of Sachin camp, then Speaker can't do anything because hearing is here in Supreme Court on Monday. But if the decision goes against Sachin camp, then Sachin camp can immediately come to Supreme Court and may seek a stay, saying that already the Supreme Court is seized of the whole issue. So either way, I personally feel that the disqualification process has gone for a toss.
That's right, Vaidya. Now, this is a very interesting point that you seem to be mentioning, that if the High Court decision is not favorable to the Ashok Gehlot camp, to the Speaker, then this matter is in the Supreme Court. And even otherwise, this matter is going to be heard in the Supreme Court on Monday. So are we to assume, and can we safely assume, that this entire matter has now shifted to the Supreme Court, whatever the verdict may be?
Exactly, Sanket. You are perfectly right. So either side, you see, there will be only one winner. So loser will come to Supreme Court. And what normally you see, Supreme Court has already seized of this case. So anything happens tomorrow, the losing party will come to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will say, already we are hearing this issue on Monday, so we will tag it on. So it's again a long process.
That's right. Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, many thanks for joining us. So how is this going to play out? Well, it was expected that once the Supreme Court has basically not stayed the High Court verdict, then the High Court verdict would be delivered. The news that we are getting is that at 10:30 a.m. in the morning tomorrow is when that verdict is going to be delivered. Whatever the verdict may be, the aggrieved party could move the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is already seized of the matter, and the hearing, the next hearing in this case is on Monday. So the matter in all likelihood has already shifted to the Supreme Court. So we'll keep tracking all the latest details and also get you all the updates tomorrow. You can get all of that right here on NDTV.